Trader Pro's video claimed that MACD plus EMA trading strategy performed very well. I wanted to test this assertion and see how it played out with Bitcoin. First, we will look at the indicators. Then I will describe the strategy and then show the backtest results. Afterwards, we will look at the optimized results. Then we will test the optimized results against another time frame. At the end of the video, we code together so that you can do the backtests yourself. The EMA indicator. Exponential moving average is a kind of moving average. It allocates a greater weight and importance on the most recent data points. EMA reacts faster than a simple moving average to recent price changes. Traders use EMA, similar to other MAs, to detect buy and sell signals depending on crossovers and divergences from historical mean. The most common used periods with EMA are 10, 50, and 200 periods. When the momentum of price increases, a shorter, for example 12, and a longer, for example 26 period EMA diverge from another. MACD aims to profit from this divergence. The difference between EMAs is plotted on a chart. Positive value indicates an upward momentum, whereas a negative value represents a downward momentum. MACD function in TA-lib returns three values: MACD, MACD signal, and histogram. We will only use the first two in this strategy. For long positions, buy when price is greater than EMA 200 and MACD and MACD signal are both smaller than 0, MACD crosses over MACD signal. Sell when a fixed percentage of stop loss 1% and profit target 2%. For short positions, sell when the price is smaller than EMA 200, MACD and MACD signal are both greater than 0, MACD signal crosses over MACD. And close the short position with a fixed percentage of stop loss, again 1%, and profit target, again 2%. I tested this strategy within the time frame of 1 May 2020 and 5 May 2021. Here are the results. This doesn't look good. Where buy and hold was highly profitable, this strategy lost money. I think we got whipsawed a lot. In its current form, this strategy is not only useless, but looks harmful. Let's optimize and see how it can be made better. I optimized stop loss and profit targets for both short and long positions. Here are the top 10 performing optimizations. And here is the heat map of the parameters. We are interested in the yellow areas. Here are the results with the optimized parameters for profit short 97, profit 109, stop loss 95 and stop loss short 104. Looks much better. We did not lose money and made about 2/3 of buy and hold. 55% of the trades were winning trades. But notice that we weighed a lot. Average trade duration was 2 days. And at least once we had to wait about a month. Here is the chart from the optimized results. The green triangles show successful trades and the red ones show the failed ones. Although I'm not comfortable with setting the stop loss for short at a higher percentage than the profit target, I will test the optimized strategy for 1 year ago using a 12-month period again. Between May 1st, 2018 and 30 April 2020. Again, not very good, because we overfitted. Although our winning rate is close to 50%, we would have lost money during this period had we used this strategy. MACD and EMA are commonly used in trading strategies, but as we have seen, it may not be always reliable. We got many entry signals, but the highly volatile and unpredictable Bitcoin market led us to fail about half of our attempts. I suggest we have to do our own careful backtesting on any trading system that claims to be profitable, especially if you're dealing with different markets such as Bitcoin. The original strategies may not work in different markets. Finally, I think it's safe to conclude that there is no such thing as a strategy that works for once and for all. First, we import the required libraries. Then we get the data. Then we need to prepare the date field so that backtesting PY understands it. That's why we import the datetime modules. Then we write our trading strategy class. We define the class variables. Some of them will be necessary for optimization. Then we define the init method. In this method, we calculate the EMA and MACD values. In the next method, we set the buy and close long position conditions as we have described in the strategy. We also set the conditions for sell and close short positions. This is the part our strategy comes to life in our code. Finally, we prepare the backtest with the trading strategy. Then we run the backtest and get the results to the output variable. Then we print the output, see the results and plot the results. Afterwards, we do the optimization. Here, this part is commented out, but you can remove the comments and run the code if you want to do the optimization yourself.